Good afternoon, YouTubers. Hope we're good. Bit of a quick video. This a little bit random for you. I want to talk about mugs, and you can see I've got three mugs in this video today. I've got my trusty Tom Shoe titanium mug, which I've pretty much since I started wild camping and YouTubing has gone everywhere with me. I've got on the left there just a plastic standard mug. I think that was made by Highlander. Got that ages ago off Amazon. Tends to turn up on family camps, things like that. And then the latest purchase, which I want to sort of perhaps focus on a little bit more, is this little one here. And this is the Sea to Summit X cup. And it's one of those collapsible cups. And I've been thinking about getting one of these for a while. I've heard mixed reports about them. Some people saying they make your drinks taste funny. They collapse when you've got a hot drink inside it. And then other people raving about them. So I wanted to see what all the fuss was about, and I treated myself to that collapsible cup. But before I talk about the X cup, let's look at the two other mugs that I've been using. Firstly, we've got the just a standard plastic Highlander mug, and I'll put that on the scales and you can see how much that weighs if you're kind of weight conscious, a bit of an ultralight backpacker, that type of thing. It's pretty robust, it does the job. What's the issue? Why don't I just take that everywhere with me? Well, I suppose, I'm not, mega conscious in terms of weights, but it is something I am trying to sort of save where I can, particularly as I'm using my 44 litre rucksack and I'm trying to get everything inside. So I don't really use that anymore. I mean, I use it as I mentioned, for the family camps, but it's just not that practical. And then we've got the Tom Shoe, which is supposed to be titanium. It comes with a lid. I'll put it on the scales for you so you can see the weight of that. It's pretty lightweight and it's versatile. It doesn't rust. I can put it on fires, I can put it on the stove. It goes inside a larger titanium pot, my 750 milliliter Tom Shoe. And it's great. I was curious about these collapsible cups, and I wanted to try them out as well and just see if I could save a little bit of room on my recent Peak District camp to Bamford Edge. So the Sea to Summit X cup, I think including postage, it cost me about 10 or 11 pounds, which slightly hurt a little bit for buying a little bit of orange rubber, basically. But I thought, what the hell, let's give it a go. And it's great, I really like it. I've had no issues with it. It feels solid, it doesn't feel unsafe, which was one of my concerns, putting drinks in it. I was a bit worried it would kind of collapse on me, but actually it's great. I've had tea in it, I've had coffee in it, I've had hot chocolates, and they all taste like tea and coffee and hot chocolate. They do not taste of orange rubber, which is a big thumbs up from me. But there are times when I will take the Tom Shoe out. There are times when I'll take the little X cup, the collapsible cup, out with me. But yeah, I just want to share those thoughts with you guys, because I know some people have been thinking about getting those or do have those. Just my thoughts. You might have a different experience, but I hope that's helpful. Thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you've liked it. Drop us a comment if you've got something to say. So thank you for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you soon.